Hey, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today I'm going to show you a brand new feature of Canva AI that I think is really cool. Now remember, what you're looking at right now is the early access or the early release, the early preview of some of the new features that were available in Canva Magic Studio 2.0. So if you log into Canva and you don't quite see this Canva AI tab, don't worry, they are rolling it out to everyone within the next few weeks, sometime in May. But if you're interested in seeing this new feature, let me show you how it works. Okay, so here I am in just my presentation. I've got this photo of this nice man in what looks like a college campus, maybe, that kind of thing. This is a great picture, but for whatever reason, this background may not be appropriate for the media that I want to create. So what you can do now in Canva is automatically use AI to switch this background. So to do that, I just have to click on my photo like this, navigate up to the top where it says edit, and now you'll see a brand new option right over here that says BG generator. So what this will do is just allow me to describe the scene that I want, and in a few minutes, Canva is going to create that background for me automatically with the subject in front of it. Okay, so let's say that this is an advertisement for a coffee shop I'm working on, and my new background is a trendy coffee shop in Seattle. In just a few minutes, Canva is going to give me this photo with a different background. All right, so here we are. Here is the trendy coffee shop in Seattle. They give us a couple different choices for backgrounds, and the interesting thing is you'll notice in the previous photo, that background of the campus or wherever it was sort of a little bit blurred so that our subject kind of stands out right in the foreground. It took those same properties with the background of the coffee shop sort of blurred in the distance. Now, if this is the photo that I want to use, all I have to do is click off of that background generator and take a look at this. Now I can use this photo in my presentation. But now, let's say, I don't really want the coffee shop. I'm going to go back to my background generator, and now I want to describe, or I want to add a new background, and not this coffee shop. And now I'm going to say a college football game tailgate party in Southern Florida. And now let's see what Canva is able to come up for backgrounds for this photo. All right, here is our tailgate. You can see a few different things. We've got tents here. Looks like we've got golf carts, maybe a little bit unusual. This one, I think maybe looks a little bit more like a tailgate that you would see, although these tents are pretty professional for a college football tailgate. Here's a bunch of guys with their shirts off, which I guess makes sense if you're out in the sun watching a football game in Florida. But you see how this new feature works. It will allow you to change the background of any photo really easily with just a few clicks and the prompt. All right, so let me show you another use for Canva. Let's say that you have an image like this one, this bowl, which I think is Cheerios, but I have this bowl right over here, and what I would like to do now is maybe put this bowl in a nice minimalistic kitchen. So again, we can just click on that edit button and I can go to BG generator. I'm going to describe the scene that I want. Now this is all that I put, a trendy, classy home minimalistic kitchen. Of course, I could add more descriptors to get probably an even better view, but let me hit generate and we'll see what Canva is able to come up with. All right, so we have 4 different examples. I think this looks really cool right over here, all done by just that simple command. So maybe let's take something like this from here. I can use this as a product shot. Now, of course, in the path, there are some other features that you might find helpful in this situation. You can see that this image, it doesn't quite fit this entire slide. So what would I need to do in order to make this image fit the slide? There's something you can do right over here in Magic Studio. We are going to go to this option that's called Magic Expand. I'm just going to fit this whole page. Let me go ahead and try to expand the background to fit on my slide. All right, here we go. 4 different examples. I think maybe these first 2 images might end up looking better. I guess this one doesn't look that bad. But I think overall this is a pretty cool feature. Now, once I get from here, I can just select done, And then look at that. I have this image on my slide that I can use in this presentation. So it's that easy. It is called BG Generator. It's available from Canva. This is a premium feature, so you will need to be a subscriber to Canva to access this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment area below. And if you like this content, it would be awesome if you could subscribe or even leave a super thanks below. Thank you so much and have a great night.